All right, good morning, guys. What's going on? A little bit of a green, well, a little bit of a green morning going on so far. Are we going to see a little bit of red this afternoon, though? A little bit of a correction. Well, right now, Bitcoin's trying to correct. We're going to get into the Bitcoin chart in a minute. And could we see a crash down to $94,000 on Bitcoin in the short term? We're going to have a look at the possibility, guys. We're going to get into that and so much more. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe. Let's get into it. So across the board, altcoins looking very, very strong today so far. Yeah, just general strength across the board. Look at Flux, 131% up. Filecoin's up another 35.9. That's almost 80% on the week. Very nice. Walrus, FET's recovering. Near, very nice, guys. Very, very nice. Remember, don't go chasing green candles. Don't go chasing waterfalls, right? Let's go a little bit broader here. See what's going on. So the pumpers, the privacy coins, Dash and Zcash, starting to correct. I told you guys it was inevitable that they were going to start to correct eventually. And you should never buy green candles. Not financial advice, guys. Right? I'm only here to entertain and educate you. But chasing green candles seldom plays out well for you. So always be careful there, guys. But otherwise, yeah, everything looks good. Sonic's pumping. Wow, everything's looking strong. You love to see this, guys. Let's go have a look at the Bitcoin chart. See exactly what I'm talking about. All right, so Bitcoin kind of trading in a sideways structure here, as you can see. Just holding this support level at 101.415, holding it strong, but here's the thing, guys. This is starting to form a bit of a bearish pennant, right? Bit of a bearish pennant. Now, a bearish pennant is when you come to the downside into it. A bullish is when you come to the upside into it and do that. And then you break to the upside, right? Well, when you come down into a pennant, you usually break to the downside out of it, right? This is a bearish pennant. And if it plays out, well, you are looking at a breakdown on Bitcoin to around 93,700 to $94,000. So let's put a little golden pocket there. Let's do this. It's very possible we come down into that area, guys. Very, very possible. From my understanding, there is a CME gap down there as well, I think. I can't remember if it's 92 or 94. I think it's 94. So it's very possible we come down there, fill that CME gap, and then come back up again. So keep an eye out for that. It doesn't have to be today or tomorrow. We could close the weekly, in a bullish structure and then still come down wick below the 50-week again to fill this or have this play out. And you also have to remember that no pattern in charts is 100% accurate, right? This could be invalidated, right? If we can move back up to 108,226 or even just 100, even just like 106,700 and start closing above there, I would say we would invalidate this and we wouldn't have to do this, right? But right now, this is what I'm seeing, a possibility of a breakdown out of a bearish pennant to around that $94,000 level on Bitcoin. Possible, guys, right? But let's go look at TradingView and see what's going on there. All right, so yes, here on TradingView, right now we are below the 50-week. It is at 102,961. We're at 101,558, but we've wicked as low as 99,125. Tomorrow is the weekly close. Are we going to close above the 50-week? We'll see, guys. We'll see. We keep bouncing above and below it, so it's keeping us on our toes this week. That's for sure. It's teasing us. It's bugging us. Let's see what happens, guys. Let's see what happens. This is going to be very, very nerve-wracking for a lot of people. Are we headed into a more extended, longer bearish period, or are we going to snap to the upside? A lot hinges on this, guys. Quick shout out to the channel sponsor, BTCC Exchange, guys. We've put together a trading competition with BTCC. You can use our link down below to participate. Win cash. You can USDT. You can win Apple Watch SEs, iPhone 16s, Vision Pros, Rolexes, Model 3s, and a Cybertruck. So the competition is on until November 30th. So yeah, we actually are utilizing this in our trading group over on the Patreon. If you want to join us over there, we drop daily trades so that we can, kind of compete in this. Or you can just use our link down below and do it on your own. You don't have to join our trading group, but you can still participate in the competition. So go ahead and check that out. Over $10,000 in bonuses and signups, guys. Check it out today using our link down below. All right, and we got this from Colin Talks Crypto. He says, is Bitcoin going to follow gold? As you can see, the red line is gold this year. Bitcoin is the orange, right? If so, it looks like it could begin within the next week. It is really possible that gold and stocks saw meteoric rises to new all-time highs in recent months, but Bitcoin won't follow? I find that hard to believe. Personally, I'm still of the belief that the money will flow towards crypto, but with a delay as shown in the gold versus Bitcoin chart. Interestingly, the gold top would forecast a Bitcoin top in January of 2026. When shifted forward like this, that's pretty much where I was already guessing the top for Bitcoin would be. Could this all be wrong? Absolutely, but it's fascinating among other metrics to watch. To me, point to more upward price action for Bitcoin. So, very interesting. So he figures if we do follow gold's trajectory, which Bitcoin has historically done, will we see a Bitcoin top going into January? Very possible, guys. Very possible. So there's lots of different metrics, guys. Lots of different metrics out there. It's why you have to utilize more than one tool, one metric, one piece of information. You have to be well-rounded and knowledgeable when it comes to crypto. You cannot just think you can look at a chart and know what's about to happen next, or read a headline and know what's going to happen next. Be careful out there. And massive news for Janction. This is just kind of a teaser. I will be doing a full-blown video on it a little bit later today. You're going to want to check it out. Janction's token JCT will be listed on Binance's Alpha and Futures. Janction thrilled to announce that JCT is coming to Binance Alpha and Binance Futures. The Alpha listing is the day after tomorrow, so the 10th of November, 10 o'clock UTC. The futures launch half an hour later. So with up to 40x leverage, the countdown begins. Get ready for liftoff. Again, just a teaser. I will be diving deeper into the implications of this, what it means for Janction, what it means for Jasmy, and what it means for you. You're not going to want to miss it, guys. Guys, if you're new to crypto, this is very, very important. If this is your first cycle and you have no idea what's going on right now, you have all these influencers telling you the market's going this way and that way, you have no idea what's going on. Join me and thousands of other members today in our private VIP community where we give you all the latest news. Everyone gets together, we chat, we make sure everybody knows what's going on. We make sure that everybody is controlling their emotions, not making bad decisions. There is no shame in having your hand held by a community of people who have been through multiple bull runs and can help guide you through this space. Guys, there's a lot of factors that a lot of influencers don't tell you about. And one of the big ones that I often refer to is knowing how to identify where liquidity is in the market so that your sell orders actually fill. Because if you don't know how to do that, the price is going to go right through your sell orders and it's not going to fill if there's no buy orders on the other side, which is going to leave you feeling like you got scammed in crypto. What the heck's going on? I put in a sell order and it didn't fill. This is BS. When really, you just missed out on being educated on how to do it properly. Help us help you navigate this space properly. Join our group coaching calls or you can book your own one-on-one coaching calls in our VIP Patreon community. Check it out today, guys. All of our training courses are free as well to our Patreon members. The value there, guys, is absolutely unbelievable. We have a trading group. We drop daily trades over there. We're live every day. So much stuff going on. Exclusive Patreon only content. We have been designing a DCA portfolio structured course right now. We're about 21, 22 videos into that. Again, free as a Patreon member as well. All of this, guys, for less than the price of a cup of coffee. Check it out today. And at the very least, you can book a one-on-one coaching call with me personally. We can have a chat about your worries, your fears, your ambitions, your dreams, your goals, and make sure you're pointed in the right direction. The link is down below in the description, or use the QR code in the top right-hand corner of your screen. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. I'll see you guys in the next one. God bless.